So basic proportionality theorem, let us see here today. Basic proportionality theorem, or we can call it as a simply in a short form BPT, Thales theorem. The other name of this theorem is, you can call it as a Thales theorem. So what is the statement? First, let me explain to you the statement. Statement here, through the figure, if you are understanding that, if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in a distinct points, means distinct point means different points may intersect. Okay, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That means if you are drawing a line parallel to, let us consider the one triangle A, B, C. BC को parallel line draw करो. Draw the line which is parallel to the BC. Draw the line which is parallel to the BC, and such that it intersects the other two sides in distinct points. That means you can draw the line like this also. Here also एक line draw कर सकते हो ऊपर exactly. Like this you can draw the line. One line you can draw like this. Another, otherwise you can draw the line ऐसा भी draw कर सकते हैं. And इधर भी एक line draw सकते हैं. ये तीनों line parallel है. These three are parallel only. But the question is what? If a line is drawn parallel to the one side to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, that means only this type of the line should be taken into consideration. Okay, so that point, these two are cannot be taken into consider. So if a line is drawn parallel to the one side is nothing but here the one side is BC is taken into consider. Let us name this line as a DE. DE is drawn, then it divide the other two sides in the same ratio. It divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So that is the question. Same ratio is nothing but here, whatever it is given. Yes.
Sir, you write double B there. At the top point you write B, and the end point you can also write B. Set the figure, set the figure. Set the figure.
So you have named the same. So you have named the same thing.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. ABC is the triangle in which BC is the one side, further parallel line is taken. So what is here statement? If a line drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle to intersect in two distinct points, two distinct points may intersect. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. The statement is also important. Most of the time the question may be given to you, state and prove the basic proportionality theorem. State and prove. Statement लिखना है and prove भी करना है. So like that it will be given to you. Or sometimes the question may be given to you, the statement may be given to you, and they don't mention the basic proportionality theorem. That also you should identify. And everyone have to learn the basic proportionality theorem here. So the proof is very simple to prove here. Here we need to first you have to write here whenever this is the theorem. Whenever it is given, then what is given to us, let us write here. In triangle ABC, DE line is parallel to BC. See here, once again I am stressing this point to you. Whenever you write in your textbook, it is not given, but whenever you write parallel symbol or perpendicular symbol, compulsory either line segment or line should be mentioned. If you write like this, it is completely wrong. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Can you say?
So because it does not depict that D is a line segment or it is a line.
What is the difference between this one and this one?
So, in the first one, it indicates that D is a line segment, and in the second one, it does not depict anything.
So what it depicts? What
DE
it
depicts that it is a
Yes, sir. It can
like
be
measure of
there.
that
Yes,
line.
sir.
Yes, that we have already discussed. It is a measure of the line segment, means length of the line segment. Length of the line segment means इसका length suppose 2 centimeters है, ये इसका length 4 centimeters है. 2 centimeters parallel to 4 centimeters लिखते हैं कभी? No, we never write. So that's why we should not write. Okay. So minorly, whenever we check that, compulsory we need to mention that. Whenever, do remember that in your notebook also, wherever you write from now onwards, parallel symbol or perpendicular symbol, whenever you are using, compulsory line segment का नाम use करना. That means you need to write that properly, either line segment or line. If you write the line symbol also, it is right only, it's not a wrong. Here actually line we are taken into consider. So either line symbol or line segment symbol, and we have to use. Next, what is to prove here? Proof क्या है? What is the proof here? Can anyone tell?
So the ratio are same. We need to prove that.
Ratio are same
So
is
AD
nothing
by
but what
DB
to
equal
prove?
to AE by AC.
AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. That is required to prove. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This we need to prove. For that, a small construction is required to us to do. Actually, whenever you take here the concept, whenever you are doing this one, we are going to take the concept of the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula क्या है?
Half BH.
Half into base into height.
Yes, base into height. So base here, everyone please note that point, that base is nothing but, suppose if I am taking here like this, I'm going to give you the one triangle to you, A, B, C. I am taking BC as a base. So if I take the BC as a base, what will become the height?
AB.
So
A is the
AB.
height.
सर
No
हाइट
बेटा.
बाहर बनेगा.
No, sir. No, sir.
Height
तो
बाहर
उसका आंसर
आएगा.
AC
बाहर
AC आएगा.
height is nothing but what you know. हाइट बोले तो ये बेस बोल रहा हूं ना, इसका ऑपोजिट वेर्टेक्स से, ऑपोजिट वेर्टेक्स, इसका ऑपोजिट वेर्टेक्स क्या है? ये है. इधर से परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है टू दिस. सर इधर से परपेंडिकुलर नहीं आएगा, इसको एक्सटेंड कर लो, इधर से ये परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करो. दिस विल बिकम द हाइट, एंड हियर टू हियर इट बिकम्स द बेस. ये कंप्लीटली बेस नहीं है, यही बेस है, यही हाइट है, ये हाइट है, ये बेस है. तो बेस इनटू हाइट. सो ये पॉइंट आपका आपका दिमाग में रखना है. So whenever you use the half into base into height, this will become the height, not this one, for obtuse angle triangle. If an angle is obtuse angle triangle, whenever it is formed. So now here, what to do here? The simple thing is that we need to prove that A by A, AD by DB. It is not complicated when you go in a systematic manner. एक सिस्टमेटिक ऑर्डर में जाए तो आपको ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, इजी इजी थ्योरम है. एडी प्रूव चाहिए हमको, एडी एज ए बेस चाहिए. ये बेस की जैसा एक ट्रायंगल ले लो. क्या है ट्रायंगल? ये बेस की जैसा ट्रायंगल, ये ट्रायंगल हो सकता है. Isn't it?
yes sir.
Now DB as a, we need to take the DB as a one side के जैसा DB as a one side, one triangle is needed to us. So in that situation, what will be the triangle? Triangle can be taken as a, which triangle can be taken? If you are needed to prove this one, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC is required to us to prove, isn't it? So when it is required to us to prove, AD by DB is equals to, what triangle can be taken whenever we take the this BD as a side? BD as a side, one triangle चाहिए. तो आप चाहे तो इधर से इधर एक ज्वाइन कर ले तो BD as a side हो सकता है, but you don't take the triangle. Why? Because दोनों का triangles का vertex same होना है. Whatever the triangles we are taking into consider, the two triangles vertex should, means opposite vertex should be same. इसका ऑपोजिट वेक्टर्स क्या है? ये है. इसका ऑपोजिट वेक्टर्स क्या है? ये होना है. सो दैट मींस वी विल टेक द ट्रायंगल दिस वन to join these two. Now let us consider the triangle ADE BDE. ADE,
So,
BDE. Huh.
so can you re-explain the construction part?
Yes, yes. Why we are taking this? Here AD by DB is required to us. AD by. So AD as a one side you take into consider. So AD as a one side means this triangle we are going to get. AD. Next DB as a one side we require. DB as a one side means you may get a triangle DBDC also. But BDC don't take. BDE you have to take. Why? Because both the triangles, whatever you are taking for the both the triangles, the opposite vertex should be same vertex, so that the height will become equal. अब देखो इस ट्रायंगल का ये बेस हो तो हाइट क्या होगा, इधर से परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रा करना, क्या है एडी बेस है तो हाइट यही होगा. अब बीडी बेस है तो अभी बोला है ना, बीडी बेस है तो बीडी का अपोजिट वेक्टेक्स क्या है, ये है. इधर से हाइट इसको ड्रा करना है तो ये सेम लाइन एक्सटेंशन है ना, यही दैट वॉट एवर यू आर टेकिंग इनटू कंसीडर दिस अ पॉइंट डी है, ये पॉइंट डी है, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, एंड अ पॉइंट ई है. एंड व्हेन यू ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, लेट अस नेम दिस परपेंडिकुलर लाइन एज ए ईएन. एम मान लो, इधर से भी ये. सो whenever you are taking into consider m, en will become the height for the this base, height for the this base in the triangle ADE and BDE respectively. अभी समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So that means we are going to get the area of the triangle is going to take into consideration. So for that purpose, we are constructing the two things, that
Sir.
we are joining the B to E and C to D. We are joining. Why we will join? So the construction part I will write it later, and let us enter into the proof part. So proof में क्या करना है? Area of triangle ADE. Area of the triangle ADE क्या है? Half into base क्या है? AD. And height क्या है? EN. And area of triangle BDE is equals to half into BD into BD or DB into EN. You take the ratio of these two triangles so that we will get AD by DB.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in triangle BDE, how we can take means EN as height?
That's why I have explained to you the first starting में बोला है ये वाला triangle. ऐसा ले लो triangle.
Oh yeah, means extension of the height. Okay, understood.
ये suppose ये B है, ये D है, इधर ये है. Somewhere else you are having here ये है. यही
Yes sir,
figure
yes sir.
ऐसे ना.
समझ में आ गया sir.
ये become height ना. पहले उसके लिए पहले
Yes sir.
explain किया आपको.
Yes sir, sir.
Clear है ना? हाँ, okay. So now we have taken. So why we are proceeding like that? When you divide these two parts, this half of will get cancelled, EN will get cancelled. We are going to get AD by DB. AD by DB आ रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है ना? In the same way, so let us take the area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE is equals to half into AD into EN divided by half into DB into EN. DB चाहे तो DB लिखो और BD चाहे तो BD लिखो. Because क्वेश्चन में DB दे दिया, कंफ्यूज avoid to avoid the confusion I am taking like this. So we are going to get AD by DB. AD by DB आया. Now let us move to get AE by EC. AE by EC आने के लिए what to be taken? Same pattern. AE as
So,
one
but
side.
in this, we take another side ratio.
Yes. In this triangle, we are going to take this side. You can take the any side in any triangle, and the height become इधर से opposite से इधर perpendicular line ड्रा करना DN. Our next EC as a one side we need to take EC. EC as a one side, which triangle to be taken? इसका ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स इसका
Sir.
ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स सेम होना है, तो D इज द ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स. दिस ट्रायंगल यू टेक इनटू कंसीडर. AED, CED, AED, CED. These two triangles you need to consider. So now area of the triangle AED.
Your voice is breaking.
सर
Yes.
सर
what
आपने
बोला?
जो लिखा ना सर, आपने लास्ट में लिखा ना सर, तो
हाँ.
डीबी हाफ इंटू डीबी इंटू इसके बाद क्या लिखा सर?
DB
EN.
EN है ना बेटा, हाइट
नीचे
है ना,
नीचे
हाइट EN है ना,
इसके नीचे भी EN.
EN है.
अच्छा
EN को
ओके सर,
कैंसिल
ओके
कर
सर.
लिया मैंने, ये कैंसिल कर लिया, कैंसिल हो गया. Now here what to do here? Area of the triangle AED. AED का एरिया बोले तो उधर क्या लेना है? एक्चुअली AED और ADE दोनों सेम है, but I am writing it in a different way little bit. So now what do you get here? Half into AE. AE as a side.
TN sir or what? The DN. Okay.
DM आएगा.
Okay sir.
Okay. DM आएगा. और when you take here CDE, whenever you take CE as a or EC as a side, you are going to get into EC as a
DN.
side. So again DM only we are going to get, because same है ना, ये ट्रायंगल है, इसको मैं सेपरेट चाहे तो आप कंफ्यूजन अवॉइड करने के लिए यू कैन ड्रॉ द ट्रायंगल. सी व्हेनेवर यू स्प्लिट द फिगर को थोड़ा स्प्लिट करके साइड में ड्रा कर लिया तो आपको एक आइडिया आ जाएगा. तभी भी स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा सीखना है. ज्योमेट्री भी व्हेनेवर यू आर लर्निंग द ज्योमेट्री, आपको कैसे लगना है ना, उसको ये कट करके ऊपर साइड में डाल दिया, तब आपको आइडिया लगेगा. इजी मेथड है ये. देखो ये इधर से इधर कर लिया, तो इधर से एक DM है. अब देखो इजी हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा आइडेंटिफिकेशन. EC साइड है इन दिस ट्रायंगल, EC साइड है. इसका हाइट क्या होगा? ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स ये है, इधर से ये.
DN होगा.
So you have to imagine like that. वो पार्ट आपको आंखें सामने ऐसा बाहर आना है, ट्रायंगल, वो ट्रायंगल ही दिख रहा है. इधर से ये ट्रायंगल बाहर आ रहा है, ऐसा आपको दिखना है. So that it is an easy task for you to write the exact things. Okay. So what do you get here? ये दोनों कैंसिल होगा, ये भी कैंसिल
Same
होगा.
sir.
We are
A by
going to
EC.
get AE by EC. सर इक्वल हो गया ना? प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ अभी.
Sir, your voice.
This ratio we got AD by DB. This ratio we got AE by EC. But AD by DB equal to AE by EC बोले तो ये area equal होना है. Now when you observe that area of BDE and area of CED, CED, BDE, CED, ये दोनों triangles. Which two triangles I told you like this है. ये एक ट्रायंगल है, ये एक ट्रायंगल. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स ऑब्जर्व कर लिया तो these two triangles are between the parallel lines and with the common base.
Yes sir. Yes
Base
sir.
common है दोनों. और in the 9th class we have अब 9th क्लास में सीख लिया है, वो याद नहीं है बोले.
Yes sir. By simplicity we can say that congruent.
If you can't remember also doesn't matter. Simple thing is that इधर भी वही कर सकते. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में है बोले तो दोनों का हाइट सेम है, तो कॉमन बेस है, यही बेस है. इसका हाइट बोले तो क्या करना है? इधर से इधर परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रा करना है. ये ट्रायंगल ले रहा हूं मैं, इस ट्रायंगल इधर से इधर परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रा करना है. वो becomes the height. That becomes the height for which this highlighted triangle. Now for this triangle if you want height, what do you get? यही बेस है, बेस यही. हाइट बोले तो इधर से परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, ये लेंथ इक्वल होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
So if you not remember the theorem also, heights are equal, base is same. Heights are equal, base is same is nothing but you can say that the areas are equal. That means ये दोनों triangles का area equal है. दोनों triangles का area equal है. So you can simply theorem you can mention that since the triangle ABC, since triangle, sorry, what is this triangle BDE? BDE and triangle CD or CED. CED we mentioned. CED are between parallel lines, between the parallel lines and common base. दोनों को common base है. What is a common base? Can anyone tell?
So DE.
DE, sir. So B.
दोनों में DE is the common base. So since these two are area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle CED. दोनों areas equal. Now you can write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle, ये वाला ले रहा हूं मैं, BDE is equals to, इसको मैं चाहे तो area of triangle ADE को AED लिख सकता हूं ना? Can I write AED? सेम है ना triangle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can write.
बाई इसका एरिया इसको इक्वल है, तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CED लिख रहा हूं. नाउ इसको 1, इसको 2 मानो. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल्स टू AD by DB and this is equals to AE by EC from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So
Sir, the board
what is required to us that we are constructing. So what construction we are doing, that part we are not mentioned here. What we have to write here is the construction part. Construction में तो हमारा जरूरत क्या है वो कर दिया है. We have join CD and BE and draw DM is perpendicular to AE and EN is perpendicular to AD. If you want here AD लिख सकते हैं, नहीं है तो AB भी लिख सकते हैं. Here if you want AE लिख सकते हैं, नहीं है तो AC भी लिख सकते हैं. And both are same. Did you understand this basic proportionality theorem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very important
sir.
theorem in the examination point of view. See here, it is not difficult to you to remember that. एक systematic order में चलना है, so that it is an easy task for you to remember. If you are not going in a systematic order, then you cannot remember blindly. हाँ ये आप दिमाग में ADE, BDE, CDE ऐसे याद नहीं रखना है. If I change see, you can understand the theorem. You can write this theorem in exam. In case if you change the names A, D, D, ये सारा name change करो, तब you try to write the proof. Then if you are able to write the proof, then only you can remember that till the end of the academic year, till the end of your life. अदरवाइज आपका दिमाग में क्या होगा, ये भी ABC ट्रायंगल है, ADE ट्रायंगल है, ये ADE है, BDE है, CDE है, ऐसा याद नहीं रखना है. Because you are a mathematics student. So when a mathematics student is trying to remember the things, it is not at all right.
सर एग्जाम में आएगा क्या
इसका
theorem?
थोड़ा एक्सटेंशन भी है. क्या हाँ क्यों नहीं, very important theorem है. This is very important theorem. And in the syllabus also, when you see that, it is clearly mentioned that prove. The converse is given to you just to motivate. Converse is given to you to just motivate. Okay. So इसका थोड़ा सा extension भी होगा. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC है ना? We can call that as a corollary. Means you can little bit extend it. So what you can extend it here, whenever you take this, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Can I write this one as DB by AD is equals to EC by AE?
Yes, sir.
If I write, after writing like this, both sides I am adding 1. Both sides ratio है ना, you can add the 1. So when you add the 1, you are going to get DB plus AD by AD is equals to EC plus AE by AE. So what is DB plus AD? AD and DB add कर ले तो AB आ जाएगा. AB by AD is equals to, ये दोनों का add कर लिया तो AC हो जाएगा. AC by AE. So you can write this again, interchange करो. AD by AB is equals to AE by EC. Sorry, AC. That is nothing but this part by this part. This one by this one is equal to this one by this one. That can also be proved using the similar triangles. ये दोनों triangles similar triangles होगा. Which two triangles? ADE triangle and ABC triangle becomes a similar triangle. When the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion, isn't it? Already you have learned. So ये दोनों triangles similar होगा. तो similarity concept प्रूव करने के लिए बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम यूज करते हैं हम लोग. सो दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लर्न द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम एंड द प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. सो यू विल गेट अ कांसेप्ट ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम so that you can apply to prove the similar triangles concept. So using basic proportionality, this part did you understand here? So in a basic proportionality theorem, you can mention that AD by DB, not only AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. You can mention that AD by AB is equals to AE by AC also. AD by AB equal to AE by AC also you can mention. Okay. So that is also called a basic proportionality theorem only.